Practice pronouncing the words with the short U vowel sound. Un, bun, run, sun, fun. Ugh, bug, rug, mug, plug, ut, cut, but, nut, shut, rub, tub, club, scrub, unt, hunt, punt, stunt, blunt, ush, brush, hush, lush, crush, ust, must, bust, rust, crust, unk, skunk, trunk, funk, sunk, uck, stuck, truck, duck, buck. Practice the following sentences. Pay close attention to the words with the short U. Number 1. The sun is bright in the morning. Number 2. I bought a red rug for my room. Number 3. Be careful not to cut your finger. Number 4. My brother goes to a club every Friday night. Number 5. The man did a cool stunt on his bike. Make sure to go back and practice the words on the chart until you no longer need to use this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others learning English. Thank you for watching.